I don't want to call this a tutorial, okay? I really just don't, because it's not really that. What it is more like tips and tricks on how you can use Reforged Play to capture the gameplay that you're looking to capture. If you're like me and all that is your problem right now is you can't get, the settings to pop up, you can't pause it, you're confused. I get it. I was there. I'm here to just show you how this mod operates inside of the game. For me, I am currently running it on Vault Hunters 3rd edition. And as you can see right here, that's where it's at. It says replay viewer. I'm going to load it up like normal. The first thing you're going to want to do is hit P on your keyboard to pause. P is pause. The next thing is you're like, okay, I can fly around. I can do all this. How do I get to the bottom left menu? Hit T on your keyboard and your cursor should pop up. And now you should be able to come up here and play with your speed, set up keyframes, play, pause, click the menu, see what all these do. And if you want, hit escape, and now you can fly around again. Now, before you start touching this top bar, it's buggy. It is super buggy. This bottom bar, not so much. You can drag it, do all this stuff here, it's fine. Up here though, don't touch it. My advice, don't touch it. It's gonna crash, it's gonna have to reload everything, and it'll automatically reload. And just so you know, I'm gonna show you, watch. And it reloads, and now it's, oh, where did I go? Where's my character? Now I gotta fly around and look for him. And you can pause, unpause, and your menus will still pop up. I'm not doing that. Me in the game when I was playing was doing that. And the menus, as you can see, keep popping up, and it can be quite annoying. If you're trying to take a screenshot, don't do it. This menu will pop up. You're gonna try to take a screenshot, don't do it. You're gonna try to render it, don't do it. It will instantly crash, it will hang, it will never render. I'm telling you that right now. How you're gonna capture your gameplay is to turn off the HUD. F1, turn off your HUD, hit record on OBS. That is the only way this works right now, is the only way I've gotten it to work. There's a couple things that will happen if you go through portals, and that's a really important thing you need to know about. If you start recording your footage before you get into the vault, what's gonna happen is it's gonna snag itself right there when you enter, and it's gonna cut the recording, and it might show like, oh, you have 5 hours of recording. Well, if you enter a vault 20 minutes in, you only got 20 minutes. This is what happens if you enter a vault while you're recording and you try to replay it, just so you know. So do yourself this favor and pick up the habit of, we'll load up so I can show you. What you're gonna wanna do is when you have your vault and you go in like this, you go here and then you start recording. The reason why is because if you start recording outside of the vault, it's gonna out when you try to watch it, okay? If you've been recording a long time and you exit out and it says game crashed, give it a second, because what might happen is it'll try to recover your recording. Let it recover, okay? Because a lot of the time when I'm recording for like an hour plus, I'll leave and it says recording corrupted. Would you like to save it? Hit yes, and it'll be fine. Anyways, I hope this is somewhat helpful. I know it's a short video or whatever, and it's not really a tutorial. It's more or less like, hey, this is how I do it. So I hope it helps. If it didn't, I'm sorry. But have a wonderful day. Drink your water. Bye.